Okay, welcome to another Let's Go Fishing adventure. We're back in the jungle today. Gonna try and finish off that jungle perch creek that I did the other day. Caught some really good fish on the way up, but couldn't make it to the top pool. Sadly, I've made it as far as I can make it. Got sheer cliff walls either side. Needed some more equipment, dry bags and a rope. So back in today, and I've called in the big guns. Joel Pasnan. He's a master at swimming the rivers and doing stuff like this, so he's going to give me a hand to get through there. All right, wetsuits are on. And hopefully we can get to the bottom of that waterfall and catch a giant perch. All right, so we've made it to where I made it to last time. We're going to try and make it up to that magic waterfall. All right, let's do it. But at the moment it's nice and early, 7 o'clock. We've had bacon and eggs, ready to go for a full day. Got about 3 k's on this trail before we get to the river. I'm gonna smash this out and then get walking. I'll see you guys down at the river. All right, so I made it into the river. As you can see, it is bloody beautiful up here. It's awesome. We're gonna start fishing our way up now. Hopefully get some perch on these pools on the way up to the waterfall, and then hopefully we can swim and get to the top pool. All right, let's get perching. All right, first cast, here we go. First cast of the day. Just give me a big dog, straight up. Be nice. No big dog, straight up. Yep. Over there. Little fella. Little fella on the jig spin. Good signs though. They're biting. First fish of the trip. Jeez, he got it good too. Nailed it. Oh, it's coming for it, coming for it. No. Check one over in front of that big rock.
Big rock?
Yeah. Oh. Small. Small. Yeah, that's it. Through there. Yep, got him. Oh, you got to hit him when they hit it. Hook him as hard as you can. What he did to me too, he's angry. Okay, so we're now a long way up, pretty fair inconvenient now. So we're going to put the wetsuits on because the next section requires a lot of wading and swimming across pools, and then we'll make it to that pool below the waterfall where we've got a full-on swim for a bit. So I'm going to put the wetsuits on. It's bloody freezing. It's a rainy, cold, drizzly day. Got some wetsuit bottoms here, so put them on it. And Joel's gonna swim for his lure here as well, and then we'll keep going. All right, wetsuits are on. Joel's going to get his lure that he lost up in there. Shit. Oh, what a classic. All right, Joel is in there looking for the lure because it snapped off. I don't think we're gonna get this lure, but I'll tie him on a new one. Yeah, big perch in this pool. So good. Whoa, come on, yeah, bud. There we go. That's what we're after. First cast with the tail spinner. Nice one. Stoked with that. Alright, there he is. Nice little fish, that one. Get him back. And they're crystal clear water here. Oh, he's out of here. Deal, bud. Start. Going Topwater. Doing it. Bring him up the rapid. Shit. On top water. In the rapid. Oh my god. Not good. Not good. He knows which way home is. Oh, wow. That's a good one on Topwater. Woo. So lucky. So lucky to get him. Oh. Wow, he was, hook just fell out. Hook just fell out when you get close. That is crazy. The hook just fell out. There we go. Yeah. Oh. Here's a good one on Topwater. Yeah. Yeah. No, I did not come through here. Maybe I crossed over. Maybe I went through here. No. Lots of crossings now. Lots of crossings. JP's hooked up big time. Woo! Pasnini!
JP's the JP!
Yeah, they got super sharp on the side of their head. Those things are real sharp.
Some real sharp stuff.
So I'll just grab them like that.
Oh.
Just hold them tight. He's just going to kick once you do that. Jesus, he scoffed it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got him now. Woo!
Nice one! Unreal.
He's a good JP, man.
Yeah, not bad, not bad.
Where was he?
Just in the pool just over there.
Nice.
You hit it once and then recast it again and bam!
Nice pull too.
Bob's your uncle.
Jeez, he ate that soft five. Just look, he's down there. Be about 39. That one. All right, let him go.
Real.
Yeah, go out, yeah. Oh, he's gone. You want to get straight out of here.
Oh yeah.
Sick, man.
Look, he's just here.
Did he know? Yeah, he's sick. Whoa. Here's another epic looking pool. Really good looking pool. Top water it is. Or if he's going to come from anywhere, it's going to be that foam line over there. Surely the foam line. Right in the middle of the foam line. More gnarly river crossing. Right. All part of the fun, hey? All part of the fun. Fish? Is it a big one? Or did he hit ya? How far did he chase it for before he hit ya? Oh, over there. He ended up down here. Come on. Alright. Gone back to top water for this log. How could you not throw top water in this pool? Oh my god, he's a monster. He is a monster, and he's angry as. Oh my god. Yep, got him, got him, got him. Oh my god, this thing's huge. This thing's huge. Huge. Yes. Oh my god! It is huge! This is huge! This could be him! Oh my god, it's a giant! It's a giant! Yes, boys! Woo 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 woo! Top water! Woo! Oh yeah, that's a big fish. Oh yeah, that's a big dog on top water.
Unbelievable.
That is a tank. He's short, but he is so fat. That is a proper perch, that one, on top water. Get the mat out and put him on it, eh? Got to be high 40s, that one, doesn't he? Over 45. Woo! 47, big perchy. There we go, the hunchback 75 is out. Out of this big girl. And we'll let her go up into the current here. She's an absolute beast. Absolute beast of a fish. Thanks for coming. Made the That is incredible. So that makes the massive walk, the massive effort worth it. Didn't get that fish last time I was here, but got him this time. That's so good. Yeah, Passman.
Nice.
And the best part is we got the top pool still to come, so let's get back into it.
Hell yeah.
So good. Wait, what? There's a little monster right here. He's following my top water. Watch this, he's black, man. He's like jet black. Don't know where he's gone. Look in there. He might eat subsurface. Oh! You see that? There's another big dog. Chased it all the way into there before and beached himself trying to eat it. I reckon he'll eat subsurface. Yeah. so we've made it to where I made it to last time, and the hard to get past spot, so everything's going in the dry bag. Shirt's gonna go in the dry bag, phone's in the dry bag. We're gonna try and make it up to that magic waterfall. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so this is why you always bring a friend that's good at swimming and keen to do it first. Bazan's made the swim across. Now he's got a bit of rope that he's going to float back to me. I'm going to tie my bag and rod onto that, and then he'll pull that up for me and I'll swim across. But as soon as he's over there with the rope, I'll probably just grab onto the rope and he can drag me up there. Alright, brother. It's going to happen in here. Yeah. Surely it's going to happen in here. Oh, yep, got him. Big dog, top water. Yeah, it's a big dog. Oh, it's a big dog. Big dog. That is some epic, epic country. Did you have a flick in there? Try and get a double. Oh my gosh. That is another giant. That is another giant on the hunchback. Big dogs on top. Doesn't get any better than that. Wildness. That is wild, wild, wild scene. That is why you do those big swims into the hard to get to spots. Whoa. Duncan Giant. Woo! No! That's right, just got off, so that's all good. It was a big fish, but he wasn't a 50. That's so cool. Alright, so we are fair dinkum in here now, right inside the gorge. Big cliffs on either side. Big perch. Didn't get a measure on that one. It got off when it kicked in the water like that, but that's all good. Pazzo reckons it was a little bit bigger than that one I got before, but I reckon it was much the same, so we'll call it for that. Yeah, 47 mark, not a 50, but hopefully we can get through this and the 50 is up there. A bit more swimming and a bit more gnarly climbing here to hopefully get into the plunge pool. Pretty bloody excited to get up there. Let's go. Let's go! Alright, more swimming, here we go, eh? So what are we doing? Swimming across there, going up through there.
Like that. Like that. Let me come over!
Yeah, rope me. Rope me. Rope me. Go over then, rope me.
Hell yeah!
We good. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Woo! Wowee. That's incredible. We've made it. We have made it to the top pool. How amazing is that? That is pretty specky. That is proper amazing. I'm gonna wait for Jolly Boy here, and then we're gonna have a cast, alright? So stay tuned. We're casting in 3, 2, 1. Wow, that was weird and disappointing to make it into the incredible top pool and not get a JP, but what can you do? It was still an incredible walk in here, and incredible to catch those couple of big fish on the way up into here. So good. I just love that stuff. There must be a 50 in this top pool somewhere. It's just too good not to have one in it, but he just doesn't want to eat a lure today, which is okay. Yeah, make it in here another day. Hopefully it is a massive mission. Yeah, so that's it. We've got a few hours walk out of here now, out of this epic country, but that's it. Thanks for watching another video, guys. Plenty more on the way. Cheers.